Hello! Today I will show you how to manage location sharing in Google account. To start, open Google. Then choose your profile icon and pick Google account. Then choose Data and Privacy option and scroll down to Info you can share with others and choose Location sharing. Here you can see what information is shared and shared links, which you can stop and that's all. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe.